Hey guys, in this episode, I'm going to quickly, very quickly talk about Clubhouse's organic reach and your ability to build an audience on Clubhouse. I'm doing a test right now. Let's talk about it. Let's go. All right, so I'm just testing out my first business hangout on Clubhouse. I set it as Canadian Business Hangout. I scheduled it yesterday for 11 a.m. today. I just wanted to test things out. Nobody's come up to my hangout yet, my first hangout. I mean, from an organic standpoint, that concerns me in comparison to something like TikTok, where TikTok exploded because you could literally do anything. You could throw a rock into the ocean and then have it reverse back, and it could go viral, which is crazy, which is why TikTok is so intriguing to so many people to build an audience. I think that Clubhouse may need to adapt that at some point in time. They may need to find a way for it to be slightly more organic. It started as this exclusive app where celebrities and big names got on, and it's an opportunity to be part of their conversations, but they're going to have to let other people also gain some of that attention and build their audiences. That's what's so intriguing, what makes social media platforms so powerful, is your ability to connect. So I think that Clubhouse is going to have to adapt that a little bit. Nobody showed up yet, which means my hangout didn't show in too many people's feeds, wasn't recommended too many times outside of my current followers, which currently is 8. So organically, Clubhouse, slight concern for the average user. For people that already have an audience, boom, you have no problem. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents. Hope it helps. That's all for now.